Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Beldex wallet language using the Beldex wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Beldex wallet application from the app drawer and also make sure that you enter your PIN to get access to your wallet. If you want to change the language of your Beldex wallet app, simply go and tap on the human icon with a gear icon in it at the top right. Now from the Accounts tab, tap on Settings. Scroll down and under Personal, tap on Change Language and select your seed language available in the display. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your language change for your wallet. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.